Hi there, today I will show you how to customize the touch bar. Now as we see in here, we have is the default one. This is what it came. Now we can add more items to it or remove it. So to do that, we need to go to System Preferences. Then we click on the keyboard. Then we go down to Customize Control Strip. Here some items, some of them is already on the touch bar and some we can add. For instance, don't disturb, night shift, screenshot, sleep. So to add them, now what we do, we go to, if we say we will add don't disturb, we just hold it and drag it. As you see, this is it, and you just let go. Let's add sleep. Okay, so I just added the sleep. Now to confirm everything is okay, we click done. And now if we click on here, we can see the sleep and don't disturb. If we say we want to remove them, it will be the same way, but this time we drag them off. So we do this, then we can highlight whatever item we want to remove and just drag it in here to remove it. Now we no longer have to disturb. We can do the same for this one. So this is it. This is how we can customize the touch bar. And as you see, they're still wiggling, so we have to hit done to be sure. Okay, now everything is back to what it was. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment below. If you see this tutorial is helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. And see you in the next one. Bye bye.